हरे कृष्णा। कृष्ण कन्हैया दाऊ जी के भैया, कृष्ण कन्हैया रास रचैया. So this Krishna Kanhaiya, who's Dao ji ke bhaiya, they would do so many tantrums and so many pranks when they would visit Barsana. In Barsana, there is a place called Sankhri Khor. It's a very, very narrow passage and only one person can pass at a time. Like even now, that is the situation of this place, that one at a time can pass through, because there are two mountains like this joint and you have to go from the center of it. So what would happen during those days when Krishna was personally walking on this earth planet? So those days what would happen is that Krishna and all his sakhas would come to this place and block the way, and they would demand tax. They would tell that, this whole property belongs to my father, so I am the owner, so you have to give me the tax. And Srimati Radharani and her Sakhis would claim that Srimati Radharani is Vrindavaneshwari. So why would she give any tax? In fact, they would tell that if you will do like this, then we will go to Kamsa and complain. We'll complain to the king that you are torturing us. So every day there would be this type of quarrel there in the Sankhri Kor. One day the gopis decided that let's go there and hide in the bushes, and when the boys come, we will be the first one to attack and we will punish them. So planning like that, they went there and they hid in the bushes. And actually when the boys came, so they all started catching the boys, and like two boys, and they would tie their shikha together. Shikha, jo here we keep, the men have this tuft of hair. So they would tie shikha of two together, and then the other two together, and the other two together, and they were in so much pain because they could not unknot themselves, and they could not go away from each other, otherwise it would hurt, it would pull, it would hurt. So that was the position. And these gopis, they demanded, they said Krishna has to make a promise that he will not trouble us, he will not ask for the tax, and then only we are going to relieve you, otherwise be like this. So finally all the friends requested, and because they were in so much pain, so Krishna promises that. But we know that it is not necessary for Leela to keep the promise. So Krishna decides when to keep the promise, which promises to keep and which promises to break. But anyways, he promised that day at least that he would not trouble them. So this is Sankhari Khor. Hare Krishna.